yo, trap star, trap star. Hey, hey, yo, trap star.
Where you guys staying up in the city?
Huh?
Where you staying up in the city?
Fine.
I'll pull on it in just a second. Okay, like that. Let me straighten the strap out right here so it don't twist.
Woo-wee. It was a mission, but we about to take it right home.
Moto.
One man. On the road, driving back home.
Hey, yo, trap star, trap star. Hey, hey, yo, trap star, trap star. Hey, call me trap star, trap star. Hey.
Alrighty, y'all, as y'all seen, just took it down. Put the wheel right back to it. About to start it up right quick. Alrighty, y'all, so as of right now, I'm just greasing up the chains. Throw some grease on there. As you can see, pretty rusted, so you did some little degreaser right quick, and then some lube. Change up the spark plug, all that, and should be ready to go camping. Hey.
What up, y'all? Wednesday morning, taking the bike out for a little cruise.
Yo, trap star, trap star. Hey, hey, yo, trap star, trap star. Hey, call me trap star, trap star. Hey, hey, yo, trap star, trap star. Hey, feeling good, feeling great. Got the plans, got the drink, cause it be Wolfaysodes way. It's the 8th, rolling 8, bought some O's, parted ways.